There's a new way to integrate Stripe and Kartra, and the good news is that it's even easier than it was before. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to upgrade your existing Stripe integrations if you've had an integration prior to July 11th, 2024, and you need to make an upgrade. Let's get going. So you are going to click on integrations in the bottom left, and then you're going to go to your Stripe integration that you already have. So you're going to click on the three dots and then edit. Here's where you'll notice what your publishable live key is if you need to distinguish between different accounts. Click on Connect with Stripe. Now you're going to log in to your Stripe account. Here, if you have more than one Stripe account, this is where you're going to select the correct one. I just have one account, so I'm going to just click Connect. And that's it, my friend. That's how easy it is now. Now you can see this account no longer has the red exclamation point. It has the green check mark, and it is good to go. If you have more than one Stripe account, before you do the process in Kartra, you're going to want to log into your account, click on Developers, then click on API Keys. Here, you're going to be able to see what your publishable key is, and that's what you will match up to the publishable key right here. So you'll want to match those up to be sure that you're connecting the correct Stripe account with the correct integration in Kartra.